So we decided to, at the recommendation of our acoustician, abandon the forced air system that was in there and began looking for other options. He made it really clear from day one that Mitsubishi Electric cooling and heating products were the right ones for the job. It's something that he'd used in previous designs and had great experiences with, and really he didn't give me any option. So it wasn't like it was going to be Mitsubishi Electric equipment. It was my job as the executive director of the organization to figure out some way to make that happen. And as a nonprofit organization, it just simply wasn't going to be possible for us to afford equipment of that quality. Being that we didn't want to make that compromise, we reached out and got in touch with David and began working on a strategy to get the job complete, to get the right equipment for the application, and at a cost that we could afford. So now 2-3 years down the line, we're providing between 550 and 750 sessions a year at this facility. So lots and lots of musicians, producers, engineers on the property. As I mentioned, mostly young folks that are just getting their start, but the longer we go on, the more these clients are starting to sort of work their way up the music industry ladder. So we're seeing some little, kind of flashes in the pan here and there as clients get to the next level. So as far as recording studios go, the name of the game is comfort and vibe. Our job really is to foster an environment that is suitable for record making, and if we're doing our jobs better than suitable, good, productive. So one of those things is, of course, the equipment that we have, the attitude of the staff, the decor, and heating and cooling and environmental comfort is massive as well. I mean, with people spending hours and hours working on these things, they have to be comfortable. So the Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating equipment for us is exactly what we need. It allows, with individual zone control for musicians in one space, like the drummer in our ISO booth, to be able to set his level of comfort, the producers and the engineers in our control room able to set their comfort, and even the folks that we've kicked out that are off in the lounge somewhere have the capacity to set their own. So it serves a very, very important purpose in the process. As we foster young talent here that are slowly but surely making their way up the music industry ladder, we're beginning to see 3 years down the line little flashes in the pan. One person getting a record deal, another person out on tour with, so-and-so. And that's in no small part because of the experience that they had here and the comfort and professionalism that they experienced while they were at the record company. So, as you know, recording studios have some very unique requirements. One of those is extremely low noise. We need our rooms to be very, very quiet. And for that reason, Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating equipment is a really excellent fit with the extremely low noise, quiet operation, low vibration, which is another huge thing. We can't have walls and other parts of the construction shaking. Compared to the alternatives, there really isn't anything better, and it was why we had to have Mitsubishi Electric equipment. I recommend Mitsubishi Electric equipment to all the other recording studio owners that we come into contact with. I've even, in some independent consulting, had the opportunity to recommend it for homeowners to use in music rehearsal spaces in their homes. There's absolutely nothing better for tight spaces that have to be very, very airtight in order to keep environmental noise in and out, but also have fresh, clean air. It's just, there's no other option. Thank you.